Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be giving y'all all the tips, tricks, and tea on installing a lace front wig as a beginner. If you are new to my channel, hey honey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on so that you can be notified once I upload new videos. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's good was poppin' sis. And y'all gotta comment down below and let me know how y'all feeling this wig. Do y'all like it? Is it cute or nah? This is a lace front wig, 22 inches, 180 density. I did get a medium cap. This hair is from Yolissa hair. In the package, they sent me a wig cap, an elastic band, which you guys are gonna see in the video, and these lashes. Like, I don't normally put on company lashes, but these were bomb, so I had to let y'all know. All of the information for purchasing this hair will be listed down below in the description box, so check it out. If you guys are interested in how I created this look and installed my wig, go ahead and keep on watching. Hey honeys, today I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from Yolissa hair, and this is going to be a very beginner friendly video. I just want to show you guys exactly how I started out putting my wigs on and the easiest way to apply them in my perspective. So I did pluck this a little bit off camera, and I also bleached the knots. I was just showing you guys that it kind of like got on the roots, but that's okay. I'm not going to go in and color correct because actually that's going to make this wig look so natural. So we're going to leave those roots just like that. Now I'm going in and cutting off those ear tabs. Whenever you have a wig, you want to make sure that it fits snug to your head and you don't have that extra lace like hanging over your ears. So if you do have a wig that hangs over your ears, you're just going to like part out a section where your ear would be, and then you're going to cut that off. I'm going to show you guys a trick that I use to place my frontals correctly the first time. So I'm just using a white eyeliner to like outline the way that I want the frontal to sit on my head. Now I do this because like when you lift the frontal back, sometimes the wig will move, and when you try to lay it back down, it won't be where you actually measured it to be. So I use this little trick just to make sure that my frontal is exactly where I want it to lay. And here I'm just cutting like little slits to separate the frontal into 3 different sections just for an easier application. This is another beginner friendly trick or hack that I use to lay my lace frontal wigs. When starting out installing frontals in the beginning, I find it easier to not use real lace glue, so I decided to like make my own. Well, something close to it. So I'm going to take this old edge control container, and I'm using the black bottle got to be glue gel and the freeze spray. And then I'm mixing those two together, and this is what I'm going to use to lay down my frontal. I'm going to be applying 3 layers of this. You can go less or you can do more depending on how long you want your frontal to last. But you want to make sure that you spread it on evenly and you let them dry in between coats. So now that it's time to lay our frontal down, this is where the dots come in handy. We're just going to mesh those up with the ones that's on our forehead, just to make sure that the frontal is actually where we want it to be and we won't have any problems. So once you finish with the front section, you're going to move on to both of the side tabs. Now this is why we cut them into 3 different sections, because I find it easier to apply it in sections. And you're just going to repeat the same steps to both sides. Before we cut off our lace, we're going to tie the elastic band around our frontal and make sure that everything is just nice and flat. And this is just going to melt it further into the skin. And then we'll be ready to cut that lace off once it's all dry. To make the frontal look as natural as possible, we have to cut off the lace a certain way. So I'm using scissors on today, and you're just going to go in a zigzag, jagged kind of motion. You don't want to cut straight across because it'll look like just like a wig just slapped on your head. So make sure you kind of like cut like jagged or in zigzags, and you'll be fine. Now that the wig is applied, we're going to go ahead and go in and correct everything. So we're going to remove all of those white dots and all of the glue residue that's around the lace. To melt the frontal more and to help it blend into our skin, we're just going to use the blast and freeze spray at the end of our rat tail comb. Here I'm going in with a powder makeup that's the color of my skin, just to mask any imperfections and help everything blend all together.